Marking the 50th anniversary of the original Countach, Lamborghini reimagined its legendary wedge into a modern mid-engine hybrid icon. Revealed in August 2021 and built on the Aventador/Sion hybrid platform, the LPI 8004 reinterprets the classic while incorporating cutting-edge tech. Supercar nostalgia plus 15 Wikipedia plus 15 Lamborghini.com plus 15. Limited to 112 units, paying homage to the original LP112 project code. All units were sold within days of the reveal, with customer deliveries commencing in early 2022. Lamborghini 6 Wikipedia 6 Motor Trend plus 6. Design and aesthetics. Exterior, a futuristic wedge. The new Countach preserves iconic scissor doors, sharp angles, and aggressive proportions. Yet it's far from a carbon copy. Lamborghini's design team led by Mitja Borkert crafted clean, futuristic surfaces that echo the 1970s classic while embracing modern aerodynamics. Distinctive features include shark gill vents inspired by the original LP500 prototype, new NACA-style side intakes, and a dramatic rear diffuser. Paint choices range from heritage hues like Giallo Countach and Impact White to contemporary favorites like Viola Pacifi and Blue Uranus. Full carbon bodywork reduces weight, even mirror housings, splitter panels, and ducts employ lightweight composites. Interior, retro meets modern. Inside, the low-slung cockpit emphasizes minimalist geometry and luxury Italian craftsmanship. Drivers sit enveloped in leather, geometric seat quilting nods to the original Countach's design, and carbon fiber trim gives a contemporary edge. An electrochromic glass roof allows the cabin to switch between tinted and clear modes at the push of a button. The tech package includes a 7-speed ISR automated manual gearbox, active suspension, and a full 4-wheel steering setup for enhanced agility. Powertrain and performance. Hybrid V12 powerhouse. Under the engine cover beats a 6.5L naturally aspirated V12 from the Aventador, tuned to 780 PS, 574 kilowatts, paired with a 48V electric motor that adds 34 PS, 25 kilowatts. That gives a total output of 814 PS, 599 kilowatts, 803 horsepower. The electric system uses a supercapacitor for energy capture and release, instead of a traditional lithium-ion battery, resulting in a lighter, quicker system. The electric motor is integrated into the gearbox, smoothing shifts and even powering the car at low speeds or reverse. Drivetrain and dynamics. 7-speed single-clutch ISR automated manual, lightning-fast paddle shifts, engineered by Graziano. WD with 4-wheel steering and magnetorheological pushrod active suspension ensure balanced handling and high-speed precision. Carbon ceramic brakes grip via 20 front and 21 rear wheels shod in Pirelli P0 Corsa tires. Performance figures. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.8s, 0 to 200 km per hour in 8.6s, and a top speed of 355 km per hour, 221 miles per hour. Dry weight is about 1,595 kilograms with a 4357 front/rear balance. Braking from 100 kilometers per hour to 0 takes just 30 m. On-road and track experience. The Car Vault video emphasizes both aesthetic and performance revelations. Driving feel. The V12 remains at the heart, raw, emotion-rich, and visceral, with the electric boost adding smooth torque delivery during launch and shift phases. Handling, 4-wheel steering and active suspension give it surprising composure, despite its retro-styled supercar foundations. Sound. The exhaust note blends the signature roaring V12 with a new electric whisper that's tasteful and not intrusive. However, some critics argue it lacks the rebelliousness of the original Countach. Motor Trend commented that the LPI 8004 is a refined hybrid, while in absolute bonkers, wedge remains elusive. The old Countach's madness isn't fully captured here. Still, for many, the car delivers exactly what's expected, a flawless blend of heritage and high-performance hybrid tech. Market and value. Price tag. Originally €2.3 million to €3 million, is almost equal to US $2.6 million, with extra customization packages pushing the MSRP higher. Many units already landed in collectors' hands. One example in Australia, Verde Abet/Bronze Combo, made waves for its individuality and craftsmanship. Though expensive, the LPI 8004 is ascendant in the Lamborghini lineage, sitting between the Scion and the apex of exclusivity. Final thoughts. The Countach LPI 8004 is not a nostalgic throwback. It's a modern sculpture on wheels, fusing legacy and innovation. Key takeaways: heritage with progress, classic styling cues preserved, integrated with lightweight carbon fiber and high-tech features. Power with purpose. A 6.5 L V12 remains unspoiled, supported by seamless hybrid torque and advanced dynamics. Modern driving, AWD, active suspension, and four-wheel steering make it feel planted and decisive. Collectible prestige. Limited run and extensive customization options give it heirloom status. While purists might miss the raw unpredictability of the 1970s Countach, the LPI 8004 achieves a different kind of excellence, refined, fierce, and future-ready. It's a statement. Countach lives, but it's evolved. Quick specs table. Futuristic. Power. 814 PS/599 kilowatts/803 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. 2.3. Top speed. 355 kilometers per hour, 221 miles per hour. 1,595 kilograms. Units produced. 112. Price, approximate 2.3 to 3 million euros. Let me know if you'd like deep dives into specific aspects, driving dynamics, tech features, or comparisons with the Scion or Aventador. Sources: Ask ChatGPT.